juice, almond milk, protein.
You just need 1 cup.
You gonna get it dirty, mama? You gotta use a different cup. What was that?
Let's go look.
Yeah, y'all go do that.
Yeah, I'll go. Oh yeah.